Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to convert the rear bench seat into a bed. Start by releasing the metal seat locks on both sides. Once the locks are released, pull the black handles to adjust the seat into your desired position. After positioning the seat, push the seat levers back downwards to lock them in place, re-engaging the metal seat locks you previously released. Next, locate the fabric strap next to the seatbelt buckle. Pull this strap to release the backrest, then gently push it down until it's horizontal. Now repeat the same process for the other seat to convert it into the sleeping position. Under the seat, you'll find additional cushions for the bed. Start by unbuckling the seatbelt covering the front of the seat and remove the cushions. You'll find a support frame that needs to be unfolded. On one side of the frame, there's a metal edge that must be mounted onto the seat base at a slightly downward angle, like this. And that's it. The seat bench is now converted into a bed. Thanks for watching.